was able to recreate my pumpkin bread and not burn it this time. So this came out of my 8x8 glass Pyrex dish, and it is already missing about 3 rows, or about 6 slices. And I had to do that because I had to taste them and make sure it was going to be good. Anyway, it was good. Very, very delicious. It's wonderful if you toast it and just melt some butter on it. Now, these are lots smaller slices than a serving. When I did the calculations for the macros, I based it on a loaf being 12 servings, and obviously you can tell this is a lot more than 12 slices. So when you look at the macros, just make sure that you're realizing that that's just 1/12 of whatever you create, which means if you're only eating these little slices like this, it's going to be even less than the 5.1 carbs per 1/12 of a recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll get this posted ASAP.